So what's going on, everybody? So, work on that has paused because of work on this. That's what we call life. Sometimes it gets the best of you. Anyway.
It's the Hillbilly on the YouTube channel. Oh, hell yes.
What we got going on? Out here in the sunshine.
I'm just checking everything.
What are you working on?
Nothing.
Nothing?
Nothing fancy.
You know, for this, I dare say I like this phone better than I like the GoPro.
Yeah?
Yeah. Nice big screen. I can see what's going on. I got some zoom. Let's zoom out. Let's go ahead and zoom out. What do you think? Yeah. The old Suzuki Bandit 600. Maybe tonight we hear it goes brum.
Gotta have that. Maybe tonight. I don't know, I might have to throw another gallon of gas in. Maybe a gallon and a half ain't enough.
It's a pretty big tank.
Yeah, 5.3 gallons.
5.3 gallons. Woo-hoo. Pulling an old super glue trick. Oh!
Nope. Not yet.
He was doing fine till I turned the camera on.
That camera don't like me much.
Oh, it loves you, man. Just you gets a love-hate relationship.
I don't know if it's going to do it. Come on, run back down.
No Sparky Arky. The Sparky Idooey thing. Oh, he's getting serious. He's putting the seat on and everything. We're going this time. It's going to run.
Oh, man. We're getting somebody's hopes up. Got enough gas to make it run.
Gee. Isn't there a safety switch that won't allow it to run on that? No, it won't allow it to run on the kickstand. That's what it is.
No. It can run on the kickstand. When you put the kickstand down, it shuts the bike off.
Oh. Weird.
I just put a pull start on it.
4 cylinders. I made that mistake once.
All right, Pikachu. Choke you off. Come on. Prime up.
The poop poop.
No poof poof. She ain't give me nothing.
So far, we got nothing. None.
Fuck off. Enough, Eddie.
So anyway, this is just a little short video. I'm testing out some new technology, checking out a different way to edit videos that I figured out that seems to be a lot quicker. I just wanted to put a little bit of a snippet of a day in the life here together for you guys. And I don't know, see how it edits and how it loads and how it goes. So catch you in the next one. Better stuff coming soon, man. So be ready for it. Here we go. Can you say broken control arm? Hillbilly Hunt. Oh, hell yeah! Oh, hell yeah!